Hey guys, a day out with my family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. And today is a super special video, is a super special day. We give thanks to Almighty God for this amazing day over here. Hey, ensure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you leave a sweet comment down below at what you're going to think about this video. I'm shooting this video actually all the way from the kitchen over here at our one bedroom house in Mombasa, Kenya, to be specific, Bamburi area over here. It's one of the coastal parts we have here in Mombasa area. That's the second capital city of Kenya. So I know you're happy for me, and also I'm very much grateful to have you guys on this YouTube channel. And also, you know, you're really creating a very nice family. Thank you so much for this year 2024. And since we started this YouTube channel on November, we marked the third year on this YouTube channel, and actually everything that we have been doing marks a fifth year, but 3 good years of consecutive of uploading videos and also sharing with you my thoughts, and doing what we can do over here to just share with you our amazing thoughts. So we are marking on end of 2024. Remember, we are in December, and happy Merry Christmas to each and every person watching this video. And for my returning subscribers, everyone, happy Merry Christmas to everyone, and I'm wishing you a happy new year in advance. We are just few days to Christmas. What is your plan for this Christmas? Are you to plan to the village? Are you planning to come from the village to the city, from the city or to travel to other places to visit friends, share moments, your best moments with our friends? Let me know in the comment section what you think about. But today I just go out with my family, see how everything is. We have been indoors until I was like, no, today at least it's not sunny. Today at least it's not that much sunny. The weather is kind of okay, as you see. It's not much sun, it's just like a calm day today, and it's very green. So I was like, it is the best time to go out with my family because we are really pregnant. Let me take you to my family, and they want to introduce themselves to you. And also we have a visitor, a friend, and a good brother to us. We want to be going out, and we want to be exploring. Comment down below, and if you want to be wishing a Merry Christmas to Claude, you're like, oh, I wish I could have sent this gift. Down below the description point at about, you'll get my all social media handles, starting from Facebook at Claude Joseph, on Instagram Claude Joseph Official, and also if you want to reach me out, maybe calling me, there's a WhatsApp link down below at about, and we'll be chatting and talking and having some nice talks. So let me take you in a bit. I'll be right back after the break. All right.
Look at this guy.
This guy always thinks that mama smells like a small baby. Hey, introduce yourself. Let's start from the big man. Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Kuravitan.
Speak up.
Kuravitan.
What is that?
Speak loudly.
Yeah. Kuravitan is just having five. Kuravitan. And my knuckles hurt.
Yes.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Melo. Please subscribe, like, and share for this video.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Want to be going out? Alright, peace to you. Alright guys, subscribe to his YouTube channel at Melo House. And also having the big
The big zig.
big
Heavy.
that
Heavy.
name is not for you.
See, heavy
I'm
now.
saying the big boss.
No, but then now heavy.
You're heavy today?
Heavy.
Heavy?
Yeah.
Alright, introduce yourself.
Mean Howie, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Claude Joseph. Kindly check him out. Subscribe, like, and share. And today, he has decided to take us somewhere. You know, we are always in the house, staying in the house all the time. So we want to go and see if there's more. Mombasa.
Exploring. Just
More
go.
Mombasa.
I want to show you more of Mombasa.
Come here, give you a massage a little bit.
Massage.
You know, you deserve everything. Because this guy takes care of me like a small baby.
So you're taking me also like a
I will
small
always
baby.
take care of you like a small baby.
Oh really?
Yes.
Okay.
like a little
Oh,
bit.
so guys, today we'll be going out. Oh, that's fine. That's so nice.
It feels nice.
Ah, even I was having a migraine. It's disappearing. Oh no,
Oh,
man.
no.
It's going out.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. So is that all that we are going out for a walk?
We're just going out to, you know, just I don't know, whatever happens.
Yeah.
It's just getting out of the house. You never know, maybe we'll get good food, or maybe we'll get like a recreational park, we look and enjoy and have some fun. You never know what's in store.
Oh, we are going for a walk, guys.
We're just going for a walk.
For a walk. They
Nothing
have been
planned.
indoors every single time.
And
so
we need exercise for baby.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Hey, is this all for that? Today I'm taking you out for a walk.
Yeah, so because you're taking me out, so let me do this.
So you're doing this.
No, but I do this every time.
Temptations.
I do this all
Yeah,
the
thank
time.
you so much,
Let me
guys.
put your
Oh,
glasses
put
back.
my glasses out. Thank you so much. All right, very nice. And also we are having a guest, a good brother of us. Hey man, introduce yourself. Hey.
Guys, for single people like me, stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. Hello guys, this is Time Master KE, the real village boy, and welcome to our Cloud's family.
Yes, for CJ's family.
For CJ's family.
Yes.
Anyway, thank you so much, Cloud, and me, Howie, for having me. I hear today there's plans to go out, so walking, eh?
Yes, to walking and having nice time like with the family. You know, we have been indoors for long, so we have to go out and check what's happening on this side.
Actually, you people need to show me Mombasa.
Oh,
people,
we are now today.
Let's
You'll
go.
see Mombasa.
You people need to show me Mombasa.
In the
Try
ne-
some local food.
in the next
Yeah.
in the next video you'll be going because mostly Mombasa their street foods are at night starting from 8.
Yeah, I also want nightlife.
Nightlife.
Mombasa nightlife.
we are at
Yeah, I want to go.
we are at the center of nightlife actually.
I've heard a lot of stories about Mombasa.
Mombasa?
I really want to put myself in Mombasa.
You want a beach girl?
Yeah.
Have you had that silence, a moment of silence?
Yeah.
And then she was like I was just asking.
There's a many.
How many?
Very many.
They'll teach me how to swim.
They
Very,
teach you how to
very.
swim.
They'll take me in the middle
Oh
of,
yes,
Of the ocean.
Oh,
And they
thank
do
God.
massage for you.
And I don't know how to swim.
And you will be able to swim with the sharks.
Wow. Actually, I saw somewhere a review of where people are swimming with those sharks.
Yeah,
I think somewhere just close here.
It's the other side of the coral
You ever
reef.
swim with the sharks?
Oh,
They just have a
bite.
boat
The
which
sharks
has
bite.
Okay, sharks bite. I
Yeah.
think sharks bite, but other fish.
dolphins.
Dolphins they don't
Yeah,
bite.
they
Are
don't
there
bite.
dolphins here?
Yeah,
They are dolphins, but you have to go deep.
They have to
But
go-
there they go with a boat called it's called I don't know how do you call that boat. It has a screen boat,
Oh,
so you have to view them from down.
There's a place I saw just around here. I'm trying to remember the name. I think I saw it yesterday.
Oh.
And there were fishes. You can just swim and see the
Yeah,
big
yeah,
fish
yeah.
The big
just
fishes.
there. Yeah.
That's you have to go
do
to the coral
snorkeling.
reef.
For you especially, can you go do snorkeling?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey.
I want to
You-
pretend
if
that I know what that is.
somebody who do snorkeling must know how to swim.
No,
What first
you know
is
how
that?
You have the mask, and then even me, I went and did snorkeling sometimes back, and I didn't know how to swim.
You know how to swim.
Yeah,
As
but
long as you have the
A
mask,
mask
and
and then now you
and
have the
tank.
floater, and then they give you the beach boys are with you all the time.
Oh, you can
sorry,
say so.
Sorry, Minawi. You know, all this time I'm pretending to know what that is.
It's snorkeling.
So please help our village boy here. What is
Snorkeling is
No,
where you
yeah,
put
you
there's
find
something
out.
you put in the mouth here,
No, you get.
and then it comes up the other side here, so it's out. So it's like a pipe. Have you ever seen?
So I can
You can
put
get-
you put
you
it
can-
inside the mouth,
I don't.
and
I
then
can only explain it
out
in
in this
Swahili.
side,
Oh, okay, I can already.
and then
I can already see
you
the
put
fish.
some
Unaingia
sticks,
ndani ya fishes
and then you
na-
go down.
You
Yeah.
become like a diver.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. All right, guys. So let's go out. Subscribe to
That's
Time
a good-
Master, and we'll
good
see
for
what's
you.
happening. All right,
Yeah.
see you out. The funny thing is, and the best thing is, it has been raining
Yeah,
in the
weather is
morning.
cooler.
The weather is cooler today, and it's not that much harsh.
Yeah.
But the sun has started to come out.
I hope it doesn't.
But it's really much okay.
It will be too much.
It is best when the sun is
No,
out.
this is my favorite Mombasa weather.
This one.
Yeah, when it's like this, my life is okay. While when it's hot, I can't even get
You
out.
can't even get out.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So let's move and we check where we are heading. And our baby is growing.
I know.
We have with Melo here. Melo doesn't want to get out of Mama. He's always
Mele is mama's boy.
his mama's boy. He's always touching the stomach and When is our baby coming out? Alright guys, we are walking in this area of fisheries as we are heading this end. So let's walk and see where we are heading for a walk. Enjoy the weather. Yeah.
Then we take our motor car to
Our tuk-tuk, rickshaws.
yeah.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, so guys, we are here with the rickshaw. We wanna be going with the rickshaw. Even this guy has the music system in this rickshaw. Yeah, so we will be heading. So let's go and see what's happening on this other end. Alright. Okay. Hey, there's some best music. This guy has really pimped his rickshaw. His rickshaw. Yeah, he has pimped the rickshaw. And he has a music system here. Hey. Welcome to Mombasa, Kenya, guys. Hey.
You are dancing.
Show them how to dance. Oh, we are in the rickshaws. And it rained, guys, so we are floating. Rain, not a funny thing. And you know Mombasa is just an island.
I know.
So everywhere we are just an island. So anytime we can be swept.
Don't say that.
Man, who is that?
Who?
The person who is singing. Hey.
Tupac.
Is Tupac your favorite musician? Rapper? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Who else do you like? Which other rapper do you know? Jay-Z. Hey.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. On some crazy traffic jam. It's a Saturday and everyone is just getting out today. Yeah, so we stopped by for gasoline, so we wanna have gas, then we'll be moving on. Just moving out with family. Now this is the best place to walk,
Yeah.
and we
I
are,
really like it, and I like the trees.
yeah, the trees and everything. Actually, in general, it's a place that motivates you to walk more.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's keep on moving, guys. We are actually at a place known as Ferry. So we'll be heading.
You want to go to the ferry?
No. So we'll be heading to Mamangina. But this place is more vibrant, and everybody here is doing his or her own business. Mostly you get here things very, very cheap.
That's true.
Very, very cheap compared to other places. I think we have to cross by this side, right? It's dry, this other end. Okay, let's keep on moving. So you can just get things here at very cheap. And also this place, they usually do business of tuk-tuks and rickshaws.
Yeah.
Mostly people usually move all the way. Where? On the other end, it's a ferry area where you actually cross by to Likoni, and when you'll be in Likoni, you'll be able to travel to Diani.
Diani, that's out
Or Rukunda. So we'll be able to show you when we'll be heading on this other end, alright? See you there, guys. In a nutshell. Let's keep on walking and see what's happening, okay? See you guys. So, yeah, I would love to skate, doing skating. So actually, guys, what I was trying to tell you is like from here is another island. So on the other end is also another island. So in between here, there's some ferries. In between, you see, there's some ferries. So they commute people from one side to the other side, and it's really free. So yeah, like now it's just going. It carries everything on the other end. Melo, you want to go to the other side of Likoni? It's free.
Yes.
Yeah, you see things are just going on. Cars, you see some rollies, people. So it's actually commute people. So we are in this other end. Yes.
Yeah. Hi.
Yes. Hi. How are
What
you?
are you saying?
I was trying to tell Melo that it's just free to commute from this side going the
Yeah,
other
it's
end.
free.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Yep.
So we are in Mamangina, and let's keep on walking slowly by slowly.
Slowly by
Slowly. It's just a day out with my family, and also sharing with you the best parts of Africa, also Kenya. As you're seeing, it's very, very clean, and whoa. Oh, have you ever seen me skating?
On video. I
On
haven't
vi-
in real life seen
Only
it.
on video.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe today you'll see me skating now today.
Even kids are skating.
Huh?
Even the kids, I can see some
Maybe
kids.
ride a bike.
Oh, okay.
Bikes as if you've never ridden
Wow.
bikes. You need to find something that you've never done.
Actually, this
Something
place
you've done.
over here today, nowadays is very, I think it's because it's raining right now. The vegetation is really green. Very, very, very green.
I like it. This is my kind of weather. Look at-
For now, the kids are skating, so it's a free park. This place actually, it's a very, very free park. It was named after the first lady. That was Mamangina, and yeah.
So, no noise. I think there's
Keep
a
on
function or
walking.
something.
There's a function, right?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying walking?
I love walking. I love walking here.
Our baby is also walking in the stomach. Slowly but slowly, slowly but slowly. Huh? He's swimming. Melo is saying that she's swimming in the stomach. Okay, let's keep on exploring.
Bali icy.
Okay, Melo.
So now we are here, and we wanted to do what we call like go up here. Oh, nice. Guys, look at the vegetation, and the baobabs are very, very, very big. These are the baobabs over here. There's a very nice history about this place. If you haven't watched my videos, go watch my previous videos about this area. It has a very nice history about this place. And yeah, so let's keep on walking and exploring, and we want to see what we'll be having over here with the family. At least they are out today, and I'm walking. Yeah, so we are actually over here at the kids playground. It's not actually for kids, but also for big people. And I wanted to just try the merry-go-round, but I said no. So Min, Howie and Melo, they're going to try, but I don't want to tell Min how to go
I
up.
cannot. You go.
So no, I want to go. So the thing is, let me wait for Melo to go so that they can turn it on, and then we want to see it just going up, up, up. Family day out.
I think, guys, what do you think? I think him and Melo should go.
And what?
But me, I'm afraid. Me, I cannot go up there.
Okay. I'm also height phobic.
I want to see how your reaction will be.
No,
Babe,
I've been up here. So yeah, I've been up here. So let Melo just enjoy. You know, this is things for kids mostly. Yeah, so go up, Melo. So Melo is up.
Melo has just paid.
Yeah. So you want to go up. Then from here we wanna go. With us we need big things.
What
yeah?
things?
Big things like this. Chain.
Those are for babies.
When my baby will come out, or when our baby will come out, we'll be taking.
Your baby alone now.
No,
This guy-
our baby.
Yeah, this is our baby, but it says my baby.
When our baby will be out, we'll be taking them out on this other end, so we'll be seeing what will be happening. So
Yeah.
let's try and see how everything is around, okay?
Yeah.
Let me.
Oh my God. Now,
Are you happy?
no, me, I'm not happy. Me, I'm not the one going.
Ah,
All these activities, they are being done by them, not me.
why not you? What do you want? Wanna take you up there?
Me, maybe no.
Okay.
Maybe this.
So this is for the kids.
It's even for big people.
No, not for big people. Those are for the kids.
I think I can fit there. Yeah. I don't want to do like anything.
Okay.
I just want to sit down.
But it's just a workout day, so
maybe
let's
walk
and then we wanna see what will
until
happen.
night time.
Oh, okay.
If there's a cocktail, maybe I can take a cocktail.
Okay, don't worry, you have a husband here. Alright.
Yeah.
So guys, I decided to go up and just keep company to Melo because mostly he's really afraid, very afraid. So let me just go up and check up with him. And hey, sorry. So go. So let me check up with him. So I can be here, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Melo. Are you okay? Okay. Let me try this for Melo. Then wanna. Alright. Woo.
Onyesha bro unaingiza kitu ndani.
Okay, hivyo.
Safety first.
Hey.
Yeah man.
A safety first, right?
Yes.
What's your name, bro?
Mimi naitwa Isa.
Isa.
Yeah, man.
Okay, Isa. So we are here and Minhao is there. You see us here, alright? Okay, we see you too. Alright guys, so let's be here and we have Melo. Okay, Melo. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay, we are trying this. It's starting, guys. Let's see. Barring my fears with the family day out. So Minhao just said with her she's okay. So she doesn't want to come here, and of course I couldn't have allowed her because she is pregnant. So I don't want her to do some undoable things. This is for everyone. Are you happy, Melo? Melo,
Yes.
are you happy?
Yes.
You'll be flying up.
Yes.
Okay, then nice. Let me see people's reaction. I see you. It's kind of big, a very nice business sometimes over here. So it's a swing, merry-go-round, but this one is electric, so you have to go faster compared to this other end over here. So Merry Christmas. It's a very nice place. You can come and literally do what you call like enjoy with kids, with family. So let's see. So it's starting. That's how it starts. That's how it starts. Woohoo! So we are going. Moving. The ice guy. I see you, Melo. Look at that. I see you, Melo. Yay! Alright, guys. So we are the eagles around here. And we're really enjoying this. Are you there, Melo? Look at Melo, guys. And look at us. Look at that. helicopter. Are you okay, Melo? Yeah, we are stopping. Are you okay? We are now coming to a halt. We stopped by and checked what's happening. The experience. Sometimes we need to experience these things. You know, when we were young, we couldn't be having an opportunity to come and have these things, because deep in the village these things are not really there. So sometimes I don't want to skip a stage, and when I'm now bigger with a lot of beards, and now when I'm old, it's now the time that I'm trying this. So when there's an opportunity like this, I have to do them and wait and check what's happening. Ooh, okay, all right, see you then, guys. We are stopping now. We are coming to a halt. Melo, you enjoyed? We are coming to a stop now. All right. Oh. Okay. Okay. Time to go home. Time to say goodbye for this place, right? Somebody feeling dizzy. Yeah. So it was a nice experience actually. You enjoyed, right? It was making a lot of time.
Hey, you're shouting.
Yes. Alright guys, let's keep on seeing what's happening on this other end. Alright. So there's a lot of activity that's going on here. On the other end we have camel riding. We have horse riding. So you can be electric scooter.
We go there and call it.
You want to have an electric scooter?
Yes.
Okay. You know how to ride, to drive electric scooter?
Easy.
Okay. Wait first. Also over here you'll be able to see big baobab trees, the biggest baobab trees, and also you'll be able to check on big and nice ships they are ferrying actually. A lot of stuffs.
But this one ship which is taller than the Titanic.
The Titanic was huge.
This is less than.
This is a small one.
It's always traveling like this.
Yeah, slowly. That's the speed. That's its speed.
Well, I think when in deep sea it goes faster.
No,
When
this
it comes
one.
here because it's docking. Can you imagine? Human beings are very smart.
This one is so heavy, it doesn't sink. But you sink, a shilling sink. So
I
crazy.
think very fast.
With me I'll sink very fast. But with this, oh nice. So guys, when we are at this place, walking by around, you'll be able to see things like this. You can come and swim. You can be able to check on the baobabs over here, the big baobabs.
Very huge.
You can do a lot of activities over here, and that's how it is. But still we keep on moving and walking slowly by slowly, and we check what's happening. Wow, look at that. Look at its chimney, very huge. The other one, the green one. Yeah.
But
So
the Titanic got
had three, right?
three chimneys.
Titanic had three.
Yeah, Titanic had three. Big.
Big ones.
Okay guys, let's keep on moving. Let's keep on walking. All right. Hope you can have this small fowl from here. How are you? The baby to the young one to a horse. They are called foals, right? Yeah. We can have this, then we go, we put it at home, then we can be enjoying
No,
with it.
our home.
Oh.
That the one which we are building.
Okay, yeah.
We need to have a parking lot.
Okay, oh yeah, we will put a parking lot. This guy is very obsessed. Like when we'll be owning our home, he wants us to have a sexual pancake lot. Yeah, we'll buy. Yeah, guys, this place is called Mamangina Waterfront, and literally this is what you tend to see. Most people come here to see it, also to enjoy with family, to have a walk. It's a very nice stretch to walk all the way to the State House over there, in which some days we'll be having maybe walking when I'm not with the wife, because for now we came for family that's walking slowly by slowly. But on the other end we will be having maybe a motorbike, and we'll be moving, cruising all the way through on the up to the other end. So for now, let's just walk and share with you. Sometimes for now you have to just, you want to sit down?
Yeah, me, I'm tired.
Okay, I knew it. She was from the house. We want to go out today.
Yeah.
We want to be moving. We want to do this. I was like, okay, I know you just walk maybe less than 50 meters, then you'll be done.
It's far.
It's far?
Yeah.
Anyway,
It's more than 200 plus.
Anyway, congratulations, because you're married today. Walking. Yeah, so let's move and we see what's happening. All right. Okay. So guys, we are here. She felt very sick of walking. So, and I told her we can just sit, and this sit and they're not for free. You have to pay. Yeah, this place actually, it has actually oriented what we call like business opportunities for youths mostly.
Yeah.
And for everyone who is around here, because here you come to find that people sell like coconut water, that's a madafu, crepes, all sorts of things. Scooting like this, find a guy like this scooting.
This for hire.
This for hire. You find people like us here, we are sitting on chairs like this. So this one, you go for $0.50, that's 0.50. You see business opportunities for kids like this. Hey, this is a very nice car, Tundra.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's a lot of things. So are you happy walking around today?
Very happy. It's nice to get out of the house a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's check what people will be like. Hey, you're so many guy Claude. What do you want to eat? Water, coconut.
I want
coconut.
Coconut water.
Okay.
And water.
Okay, coconut water and water. All right, that's best again. All right, let's see. So guys, we need to have this because of Melo, and also because of baby in the stomach. The baby wants water.
The baby wants juice.
Coconut juice.
Coconut water.
Coconut water. It's coconut juice. It's juice actually. It's full. Do you have the?
Straw money.
Okay. There's a lot of water. Oh my God. There's a lot.
Asante.
Na kwangu pia msho. Where is Melo? You know now.
I've seen him.
You know now when you see Melo around, Melo just. You want coconut water? Okay.
Why did you come up?
He wanted to go down to see the coral reefs. Are you enjoying the sights? Hopefully somebody is enjoying Melo. So guys, this is it. This is what you see around. Okay. Mpe straw. Slowly, Melo. Let me help you. Okay. Enjoy. Merores do mundo. Enjoy. Whoa. And you?
It's nice.
Are you enjoying?
I can take 20 of these.
20 of that? Oh, really? I'm with you. So you can just take 20.
There's a customer of mine there who puts them in the refrigerator. So they normally come out very cold.
When they are very cold.
Yeah. Oh, so they are
okay, utapewa.
tutakupatia ama?
Utapewa.
Kitu gani?
Are you enjoying the nini? Haya. Mother, I really don't like this mostly with me, for sure.
You don't like what?
I don't like this coconut water. I love the inner nini, this white thing. But with this, Melo is enjoying the scooter. The scooter. You see the scooter? But you said you know this, how to scoot, Milo. Okay, go. Go slowly by slowly, okay? Okay. Go. Ah, this guy knows how to scoot. He knows how to scoot.
He's a first learner, I
He's a first learner actually. He knows how to scoot. Record akienda boss wangu. Kija tu hapo haya.
Vanilla ice cream.
Pole pole jina kurekodi. Brakes. Brakes. Hapo hapo. Come back. Just good. Macheni apite. Njoo, njoo. Pole pole na kurekodi unaenda mbio. Enda pole pole juu na kurekodi. Hapo kwa mama.
Hey, you have enjoyed? You have enjoyed? Very much. You are a first learner, bro. I think we can buy this for you in Nyabohanse.
No.
Yeah, guys, so it's evening time over here, and we had our quality time over here as a family. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed.
I've enjoyed, thank you.
And thank you so much
thank
also.
you.
We are
Yeah.
here, guys, and yeah, so thank you so much. Subscribe, show some love by sharing this video, and also comment down below what do you think about this video. And also show some love to my lovely wife here, Minhawi. Roll to 30,000 10,000.
Yes, amen. 30,000.
10,000 subscribers.
30,000 subscribers, yes.
Yes, and we really appreciate your love and support. And also to Melo Hawi, roll to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah.
roll
So
to
thank you so
1,000.
much. And enjoy your Merry Christmas. Enjoy your very, very, very Merry Christmas. And I really appreciate your love
When is
and
the
support.
Merry Christmas? It's like
It's just like some few days from today. Few days from today. It will be like
today's on the 21st.
yes, like
Wow, like
3 days.
2
3 days to go.
22nd, 23rd.
Yeah, 3 days to
3
go.
days to go.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, and enjoy your Christmas, and God bless you all. Bye.
Always. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye. All right, guys. Okay.